Hi friends, today I am going to show you 6 different types of different designs of snowflakes. Here are 6 different designs of our snowflakes. We made this from the square paper. For making this, we'll take square papers. Take a square paper, fold into a triangular shape. Now again fold into a smaller triangular shape. Now fold the right part to the middle point. This middle point. Fold this right part till the middle point. Like this. Now fold this left part over to this. You adjust a correct shape. Like this. Now make a cut from here. Make a cut, this extra part. If you unfold this in this stage, you will get a 6-point star. Now you make designs randomly on these two parts. Make designs on these two sides to get the snowflakes. So here is our first design. In this shape you cut out. Be careful, don't cut the edges, otherwise it will go wrong. Now we get the design. Unfold very carefully. See, this is our first design. Unfold it very carefully, otherwise it can tear. This is our first. Now we prepare similarly the 6-point stars. The similar way, fold into a triangle. Now again fold into a smaller triangle, like this. Now fold the right part till the middle point. Now fold the left part over on this, like this. Make a crease. Cut this extra part. This is our 6-point star. Now make a design. We get the design. Now unfold it very carefully. Similarly, we make the 6-point stars and we prepare the different designs. We'll make a cutout. From this star and we get the rest of the snowflakes. Now we make cut of these 4 designs. Now we unfold this very carefully. Don't make hurry while you're unfolding it, otherwise it can get tired. See this beautiful butterfly design. This beautiful flower design. The last one, unfold very carefully. And this is the snowman design. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is 6th. This is 6th. So comment me which one do you like most and which one will you prefer for your Christmas decorations. Okay, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye friends.